Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, my name is Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. On my channel, I love sharing tons of cleaning motivation videos and all things mom related content. So if you like that kind of stuff, I would love to have you. But in today's video, we had gone on a little weekend trip for my sister's cheer stake competition this last weekend. And so we were gone all weekend and then we came home Sunday at about 5 o'clock. And so we just grabbed some dinner, ate it, and didn't worry about like cooking anything because we were so tired. So we just kind of left all of our bags wherever and we kind of were just sorting through them all. So today I really need to unpack all of those. We're pretty much going to be caught up on laundry today, so I just want to make sure we get completely caught up on all of our laundry that we have and then just give the house like an overall tidy. I'm not going to like worry about doing any deep cleaning. I was cleaning so much last week just to keep up on the house because I hate coming home to a dirty house. So for the most part, it's just like from us coming home, that's the mess, and just from us being home yesterday evening. So let's go ahead, get some cleaning done. I first need to start out with just getting a load into the washer just so we have that going while we're getting all the cleaning done. So let's go ahead and get started.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed, you like fast life, you like to drive, get down dirty, act like a bad guy.
Okay, as I said before, the house really wasn't too messy. We just mainly had stuff from just coming in this day before after our trip. So the first thing that I was doing is I went ahead and grabbed all of the clothes out of Trajan's bag that were dirty, and I had already like gotten a bag together of mainly me and Waverly's clothes that were dirty. So those I already like had put together that we could go ahead and wash, but Trajan just put his in his own bag. So I went ahead and put all of that in there. And then I quickly just wanted to wash Waverly's sheet and put that in the washer. So I just was trying to gather all of the clothes that I could. I actually started a load last night and I just hadn't changed it yet. So I went ahead and changed it this afternoon, which isn't great, but it is what it is. So I just filled it as much as I could and it made it so we were caught up on laundry, which is so nice. It made for just less stress. I know, because if you're not caught up on laundry and then you come home from a trip, you have all of that extra laundry that you have to do on top of what you already had in your house. So it felt so good to just be able to knock that out, get all of our laundry caught up. And normally I never do me and Waverly's clothes together, like me and my husband's and all of that. I like to separate it. It just makes it easier to put away. But I was like, we're just doing it all combined. And I think even this load that I'm folding, I was just trying to get all of the laundry caught up before we left, that I just shoved it all in the washer, and now I'll go back to splitting clothes. But it worked out for now. You'll have to let me know, do you split up your laundry with your kids or do you just do it all? I know so many people that do it so many different ways, so I'm curious to know. But we're gonna fold this little laundry and then I wanted to get the living room tidied, and then we'll just work our way into the kitchen because that's where the most mess was.
Some love me like when you feel caught in midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard to move, think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your past us that's about to let us know how to grow.
Moving on to this table area, I have like a little travel case that I keep like my contact solutions, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, stuff like that. So for the most part, most of that stays in there, but there was a few things that I kind of already took out because where we did get home the night before, we did kind of have to go through our bags to get certain things out. So I pretty much got everything out of there that I needed to. I finished cleaning off that table, and now we're moving on into the kitchen island, just getting things unpacked and put away.
Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
Overall, our little trip that we had was so much fun. We just went from Friday, Saturday to Sunday, and we just went to my sister's cheer competition, and they won state. They won 4 times in a row, which is so exciting. I'm so proud of her. She did so good, my sister, but it was just really fun. We had all of my family there. We rented an Airbnb, and it was just so much fun to be able to spend time with them. And then we had some family there too that we got to see that we don't get to see that often. So it was really fun just to be able to spend time with them. And it was like 60 degrees there, and then we came back and it's back to 30 degrees and snowing and windy, but it was nice just to have that little break, just to kind of like get away for a little bit and then come back home and feel refreshed. So it just feels really nice to just have that little trip. But I'm just going ahead and finishing wiping down the counters now, and then I'm going to go ahead and move my husband's snow machine stuff. He had just like stuck it right here so it wasn't in our way, but I needed to go ahead and move that. And then I wanted to move me and my daughter's, which I guess that works, me and my daughter's suitcase and then Trajan's just to the living room, because that's where I wanted to unpack it. I didn't want to unpack it in the kitchen. And then we're going to go ahead and unload this dishwasher. I had started it right before we left, so we didn't have any dishes. And then we'll go ahead and load up the dishes and just hand wash a few of the dishes that we had that have just accumulated over the past day or so.
Everything feels so abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still
since Friday is March 1st, I'm going to be kicking off my spring cleaning series, and I'm so excited to just get into my house and deep clean all the spaces that I don't regularly clean on a regular basis. So be looking forward to that video. I hope you're ready for some good deep cleaning motivation. You can clean along with me, get motivation to tackle your own spring cleaning, whether you spring clean in March, some people do it in February, April, whenever you do it, you'll be ready for it. You can save my videos for a later date, but I'm just so excited to just get to spring cleaning. Even if there is snow on the ground, then I know my house is ready to go when it does start to get warmed up, and I won't have to worry about tons and tons of cleaning because the house will already be deep clean. So I'm super excited about that. So because I am going to be spring cleaning over the next little bit, I didn't want to mop the floors today. I just went ahead and swept them, especially because we had been gone the last couple of days. So the floors really weren't too terrible, just from our entryway of walking in and out, bringing stuff in and out. But we're gonna go ahead and finish these floors, and then we'll start unpacking our bags.
You're so sure I'll stick around. Oh, my heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a vibe when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you.
For the most part, I never have to unpack Trajan's bag. Usually he'll just do it like right when we get home, or like he'll just do it. But on this day where we had taken the day easy, Sunday when we had gotten home, I decided that I would hurry and unpack it for him, just so that way he didn't have to worry about it where he was working on this day, which was just nice that I was able to get it all finished, and then he didn't have to worry about it when he got home. But now I'm going ahead and unpacking my side of the suitcase. I decided this time for our trip I would just use like a medium-sized suitcase and use one side for me, and then a little bit of the other side, and then the rest for Waverly, and that worked out perfect. The only thing is I really didn't have enough room for like extra shoes, but for this particular trip I wasn't really planning on wearing too many different shoes, so it worked out that if my extra pair I could just keep in the car. So that worked out really good. I'll definitely be doing this again for future trips, just because it was super convenient, and then I'm not having to shuffle through a duffel bag. I can just see everything that I have. So that worked out really nice. So definitely try that if you just like to be able to see everything and you don't want to have to like repack your bag every time you're getting into it. I feel like that's what I always do on trips. So that was really nice, and I was glad that I was able to do it. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and hanging out with me today. I hope you were able to get some cleaning motivation, or if you just got home from a trip, motivation to unpack and get your life back together for just your daily routines. But if you enjoyed today's video, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like these, I would love to have you subscribe, especially so you don't miss Friday's video of my spring cleaning. That is going to be so fun. I always love cleaning. But thanks again for being here, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, you guys.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution.